I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a very interesting question on ratios. I have $6 and 90 cents in the form of nickels, dimes, and quarters in my pocket. If the ratio is 4:2:3, find the number of coins of each type. So the total amount is $6.90. And what we are given here is three types of coins. So we have nickels, N, let us say, D for dimes, and Q for quarters. As you know, each nickel is 5 cents. So you could write this as 0.05 as the value. And for dimes, it is 10 cents. For quarters, it is 25 cents, correct? And what we are also given that their ratio is 4:2:3. So if I have 4 nickels, then I should have 2 dimes and 3 quarters. If I have 8 nickels, that means times 2, then dimes should be 2 times 2, 4, 3 times 2, 6 quarters. Likewise. So the ratio is to be maintained. That is the ratio, okay? As given here, 4:2:3. I hope you understand the question. Now you can pause and answer. You need to find how many of each type of coins will make 690 if the ratio is 4:2:3. Now one of the ways to do it is, let us assume that there are 4 nickels, 2 dimes, and 3 quarters. In that case, what is the amount? To find the amount, we need to multiply the value with the number, right? So we can multiply 0.01 by 4, 0.1 by 2, and quarter value of 25 cents by 3 to get the amount, right? So 4 times 0.05 will give us 0.20, right? And here we get 0.20. And when you multiply 3 by 0.25, you get 0.75. Now if you add them up, what is the total amount? This total amount is, we can use the calculator, 0.2 is 4, and of course we have 5 here, and 4 plus 7 is 11, so it is $1.15, correct? So that is the amount if we have 4 nickels, 2 dimes, and 3 quarters. But the question here is that we need an amount of 690. Do you see? We need 690. How do you get 690? That means what multiple of these will give us 690? So that we can find by dividing 690 by 1.15, correct? So that is how we can get how many sets of these will make $6.90. So 6.9 divided by 1.15 is equal to 6. So that gives us a value of 6, right? So this is 6. So it really means that each set is 6 times 4:2:3, right? So we have 6 times all these numbers. So we have to multiply by this number 6 all these given numbers to get the actual number of coins, correct? So 6 times 4 is 24, so we get 24 nickels. 6 times 2 is 12, so we get 12 dimes. And 6 times 3 is 18 quarters, correct? We can check the value. So the value here is 24 nickels means what? The value of nickel is 0.05. So we can say, let me calculate in a different ink. So we can say 0.05 times 24 plus dimes value is 10 cents, 0.10 times 12 plus quarter value is 0.25 times 18. Let's calculate how much is that. So we get 0.05 times 24 plus 0.1 times 12 plus 0.25 times 18, right? So we have fed all the values. Let's see what is this equal to. 69 over 10. So in decimals, it gives us 6.9. Always we'll write to the 100th value, 6.90. So we check it is exactly the same answer, right? So you're sure that your answer is correct. So our answer is that we should have 24 nickels, 12 dimes, and 18 quarters to give an amount of $6.90. And all these are in the ratio of 4:2:3. I hope that helps. I'm Anil Kumar. You can share and subscribe my videos to learn. Thank you and all the best.